So after months and months of stress and looking, we just got approved for an apartment, and
finally over.
I know, finally. So we're gonna be moving in March 20th. I'm so excited to show you guys how it looks, and probably gonna do a moving vlog and then do an apartment tour once we get everything settled. I don't know.
Like it feels like it's happening so fast now, but it also took forever to get here. So
yeah, it's been months, but now like we went today, applied, and now we move in 13 days.
It's kind of like surreal. Like whenever she said we just got accepted like right away, because at the other place there was so much trouble.
Yeah.
And all this, and we had to wait like almost like a couple days just to hear back about anything, and then this one it was all instantaneous, which was awesome.
Yeah, it was right away. Like when she said we got approved, we looked at each other. We're like, who?
Talking to us.
So we're very excited. We're gonna go celebrate with some Chipotle, because where else would we go?
Yeah, I'm so hungry that whenever I MapQuested Chipotle, I typed in starving.
Yeah,
It wasn't even on purpose. That was interesting.
That just shows that we're exhausted. We're overwhelmed, so happy. So we're gonna go eat, and then we'll see you guys when we get our plane. Woo! Woo! Everyone, today is the day. I'm on my way to meet Brady right now to get the keys to our new apartment. So I'm on my way there now, and I should be there in about 5 or 10 minutes, and then we'll sign the lease and get the keys. It's a long time later, but we've moved some stuff in. I have a lot to do tomorrow because it's hot and I'm dying. Nice windows. Basically the mood right now. So this is our living room. We have a nice big patio that's screened in. Dining room with a little breakfast bar. And then you go down this way. And I'm gonna do a full tour once we actually have it decorated, but this is just an empty apartment tour.
Before and after.
Yeah, before and after. And then the bathroom. And this will be our bedroom, and the whole wall's a closet, which is really nice. We're just enjoying being in our place.
We made it.
I know, it's so weird.
So not used to this yet.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna feel real until we get home from work Monday and like leave from here, get home from here. It's weird. So tomorrow we'll spend our first night here, and I'm excited. It's so nice. So I will talk to you guys later. Everyone, it's Saturday, and I've sucked at vlogging. So now we're at Target doing our first grocery run, and people are literally acting like this is the apocalypse. There's no food. There's cheese sticks. There's no toilet paper, there's no paper towels, there's no meat, there's no veggies. I got the last 2 bananas. Look how empty everything is. I mean, this is a great example, but over there, it's just insane.
No toilet paper anywhere.
Yeah, so we're gonna go to another store after this and see if we can find more groceries, because they don't have like half of what we need. But we got a lot of furniture in today, we got a lot done. We're done moving furniture for now until we get a couple more things. So I'll show you a little bit of the progress when we get home, but right now it's just grocery shopping until we get what we need. As you can tell, there's literally no water anywhere or anything. People are going insane. Back at the house, having our first meal. We just got Cheddar's to go because we didn't really feel like cooking, so now we're just gonna unwind and enjoy our movie. Guys, we have great news. We found toilet paper.
We got some. We had to wake up really early on a Sunday to get it though.
Yeah.
I woke up at 7:30 and went to Walmart, and there was like a line out the door. It was ridiculous.
And the cards weren't working, so then he picked me up, and now we're at Publix, and we got some for my grandma, some for my mom, and then a pack for our house, so we're good now.
So now we're not getting the coronavirus because we have a bunch of toilet paper.
We have a bunch of toilet paper, so we're immune. That's basically how. Yeah, so now we're just trying to find vitamin C. Get all fish oils. Emergency. The last pack. Oh no, there is one more pack.
Yeah, you can have this. I can't.
Why? Carbs.
It's 6 sugars. I have a vitamin C supplement at home, but
Do they have like pills?
no, that's all I got.
What about immune?
Yeah, we can do that.
Well, if
Yeah,
there's
just do
that,
this
I'll
instead.
probably just get that, yeah.
These are just better when you're actually sick, to be honest. Plus these taste like shit. I hate these things.
That's why I take them in like a shot glass. so it's like this much.
I'd rather have tequila.
Hey guys, so I just realized we never closed out the video, but we have been here for about a week now, and I'm going to do the next couple of videos kind of showing what we're doing on quarantine, what we've been doing with the COVID-19 going around. But thank you all for watching. We love our apartment. I'm going to be doing updated tours soon, but right now we're still trying to get everything together. But thank you for watching, and I will see you guys very soon.